Hi, my name's Shannon Ahern, and I came to Health and Balance because I had pain in my neck after having neck surgery and back surgery several years ago, and excruciating pain in my shoulder, sharp stabbing pain, and lower back pain that was just constant. And my son-in-law was coming here, and I decided I'm gonna give it a try. So I had had some bad experiences with chiropractors in the past, and was a little skeptical, but I'm really happy that I did come because they have helped me so much. The pain in my shoulder is gone, and the pain in my neck is very much diminished. It's still there a little bit, but it's scar tissue, and we're working on that, and we'll continue to work on that. And my lower back feels great. Dr. Jordan has been able to get things moving, same with Dr. Arthur. Everybody here has been wonderful. It's a very comfortable atmosphere, and they like to induce pain, but it's a good pain. It doesn't. It makes the pain go away. You can't get away from that sometimes, but it has definitely been a huge help, and I recommend anybody coming here because these guys are great. And I get emotional, so I'm not going to get emotional. But this isn't going to be my last day, and but I'll be back again when I return to town, and I look forward to coming back and seeing everybody here because they're all wonderful and make me feel great, and I'm able to move. My flexibility, my mobility is all coming back. My life of being very active and paddling and skiing and all of that, I'm able to do. So I thank all of them, and I hate becoming emotional, but I thank all of them for all the great work that they've done. Thank you. Love you guys.